Assalamu alaikum. This is Inshal Anees, and today we are going to start a new series in which we will learn a little bit about computer. Okay, so today is the first lecture of the series, and today we will talk about the difference between hardware and software, a little bit about computer, the types of computer, uh, all the types of memory. Okay, so a little bit about that. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is a program. A program is a set of instruction that tells a computer what to do. Okay, if you want a computer to perform a task, we give it instructions. Okay, then it performs the task. And now, what is a software? A software is a collection of those programs. The collection of programs is called software. Okay, now hardware. Hardware is all the physical things that are available in a computer. Okay, the keyboard, the mouse, all that stuff is included in hardware. Okay, now computer. There are three types of a computer. Number one, PC. Number two, workstation, and number three, mainframe. Okay, there are three types. What is a PC? A PC, the full form of a PC is personal computer. Okay, it performs basic functions. Okay, so it is the basic form of a computer. And then the next stage is a workstation. A workstation is a little bit more advanced. It is used a little bit in a more professional way and used by more professional people. And then there is the last thing, there is a mainframe. A mainframe is the topmost level of computer. It is used by big companies, and it is a type of computer which more than one user can access. Okay, the other two only one user can access at a time, but a mainframe more than one user can access at a time. Then there is network. Computer network. Computer network is basically it's basically a thing in which we connect different computers to one network. It's like that. And now the main components of a computer. A computer is mainly made up of 6 components. Number one, input devices. All the devices through which we can give command to a computer are termed as input devices, like a mouse, a keyboard. These are input devices. Okay, and then output devices, the devices that give us the work that we want. Okay, the screen is output device, display, monitor, printer, those all are output devices. Okay, and then a processor or a CPU. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer. Okay, so it performs all the functions are performed through a CPU. If we remove the CPU, our computer is of no work. It is useless. Then main memory and secondary memory. Okay, there are two types of memory. Main memory, also called as RAM, random access memory. Okay, it is a type of memory which is faster, but it is not permanent. If we close our laptop, our computer, or anything, it deletes, it erases. Okay, while a secondary memory is a memory which is permanent. Doesn't matter if we close a laptop or computer, the memory will still be stored. Okay, so this is the basic difference between both of these. Bytes and addresses. Bit is a unit. Okay, and 8 bits combine to form a byte. Every byte has a unique number. Okay, and that number is called its address. Like for A65, there is a single code which is 0.0100000001. Okay, this is a code. So in C++ or computer just understands binary language. Okay, what is a binary language? Binary language is a language which uses 0 and 1. Okay, only 2 digits, nothing other than that, only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Okay, so this was a code which gives you result of A and 65. Now how would you distinguish whether to print A or 65? It will first think, okay, that what type of code you are running. Okay, if you are running like alphabets, it will say A. If you are running numbers, it will say 65. Now let's summarize it all, and first let's make a short difference between RAM, main memory, and secondary memory. Okay, main memory or RAM is faster, while the secondary memory is slower. But Main memory is temporary memory, while the other one is permanent. Main memory stores running programs, while secondary stores files and softwares. Okay, and when we shut down a computer, our data is lost in main memory or RAM, and while in the secondary memory it is stored. Now this was the basic difference between main memory and secondary memory. Now lastly, let's summarize it all, and I'll tell you some key points. The first thing, a program, set of instructions. Software, collection of programs. Hardware, physical components of a computer. CPU, executes program, or it's the brain of a computer. Okay. RAM, temporary memory. Secondary memory, permanent memory. Binary digits, 0 and 1. Bit, one binary digit, 0 and 1. Okay. Byte, 8 bits. Address, unique number identifying a memory location. Okay. Network, connects computer to share data and resources. Okay. So this was the first video of this series of computer. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.